have an exercise expert with us this morning, and he is only 17 months old. Michelle Yeager-Turner is here with her son, Maximus.
Say hi,
And,
Maximus.
yeah,
He's trying to run
the
away.
cutest little thing, and he is going to, you say that he will do squats better than anybody, right?
Yes,
He's
well,
going to teach us proper form.
I know as an adult, squats, I don't have good form at all when it comes to squats.
We
and
tend to go this way,
yeah, we do.
don't
We
we?
tend to lean forward, and they always say that toddlers have great forms when it comes to squats. So
we're
going
gonna
to
watch
let
him.
Maximus actually show you. He loves to run too. Yeah, come show us. You ready? All right, this is Maximus's dog. So I want you to watch as he picks up the dog. You can see. Go get your dog. That was not our good squat form. But usually when you squat, you want to, if you see it from the side, come on, come with me. You want to come with me? When you do it from the side, a lot of people, adults, tend to lean forward.
Right. So
But
what
we
should
really
we
want
do?
to try to, there's Maximus's squat.
There
right
we, oh,
here.
yeah.
Get it,
Oh,
get it,
wow.
get it,
Yeah,
get it,
he's
get
way
it.
low.
Yeah, he's very low when it comes to a squat.
Okay.
So you actually want to act like you're sitting down backwards as opposed to forward. A good way to do it is think about your elbows. Start right here with your hands here.
Okay.
And go down till your elbows get to the ends of your knees. There you go.
Okay.
There's a good squat form.
Now-
Sterling, what are you doing over there?
Laughing.
No?
He's trying to listen to see if I can
I
split
heard
my
Sterling
pants.
got split earlier
split his
today.
pants
so
doing
he's,
lunges.
He's very nervous.
My
So
pants
that's a
have
basic
stretched,
squat
I'm
is
good.
right here
Okay.
if you want to do a squat. But a lot of people always want to know variations to different things.
Okay.
So another variation to a squat is a squat jump. So
Okay.
here and jump up, here and jump up. There
It's
you
hard
go.
to do in heels.
Yeah, it's very
Now, what
hard.
is the benefit for squats and what kind, where we, I mean, obviously
squats
you're
are
getting
working
your
your
rear end.
quads, your glutes, your lower back.
See,
A lot
now-
of women especially like to work, you know, they want perk your glutes. A lot of men want stronger quads, so there's a lot of different exercises that you can do to add variation to.
Now, I want to ask you, Michelle, because you look amazing.
Thank you.
And you were saying that it wasn't easy to get back into shape after
No,
having a baby.
definitely
and
not.
and I can attest to that. I have worked really hard this year to lose some baby weight. People, I think, like to say after having a child, well, it's just, I've changed, I'm not going to get back there, but you can.
You can, and the thing is, nutrition is 70–80% of the equation.
Okay.
And for me, I think I wrote you a carry this, I actually had 2 miscarriages this summer. And so for me, I felt kind of defeated, and I wanted to do something to be victorious. And so for me, I said I wanted to compete. So I took 9 weeks out of my time, and I really went after a goal. And I think a lot of people in their life, they feel defeated in one part of their life, and they live that way. But a lot of us can be victorious in something else.
Give
So I
yourself
tell-
a goal. Whether,
yeah,
I
so
mean,
whatever
I
it
wouldn't
is,
be comfortable
yeah,
competing.
You don't have to put on a 2-piece suit to
But-
be victorious.
right.
But try to have some type of goal. Mothers especially, we spend all of our time on our kids and our husbands, and we don't take time for ourselves. But we're just as important. You know, I can't be the best for this cute little kid if I'm not the best for myself.
You're teaching me another
Come on,
exercise.
Maximus, you gonna
He
clap and
wants-
dance with us?
He's like got me going over here.
Come on.
All right. Hey, you know what, Maximus? I have something special for you, too.
Oh,
Look.
what do we got, Maximus? Let's
I
see.
have a toy for you.
Come this way so they can see you.
We'll give you another toy.
Let's see this.
We'll put him down there with your doggy, and you can play with him. It's like, I don't know about that thing. Michelle, thank you so much. Michelle has a whole group on Facebook where she offers encouragement, suggestions for different exercises, whether there's something specific you're looking for. So you can get in touch with her through our website, WDRB.com. Michelle, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And Maximus, always great to have you here. You're putting your foot down today. He's having a good time.